The captivating world of the iconic Oreo horse. Zebras with their distinct black and white stripes are more than meets the eye. Known for their speed and agility, zebras are built for survival in the wild. They use dust baths to keep their coats clean and protect against insects. Family bonds are strong in the zebra world as they rely on each other for safety. Watering holes become social hubs where zebras gather to drink, rest, and socialize. In times of drought, zebras are ingenious, digging for water and revealing their adaptability. Did you know, each zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, just like human fingerprints? Zebras have excellent vision and can spot predators from afar. Whether they're racing across the plains or bonding with family, zebras continue to inspire us with their natural beauty and resilience.